You don't burn fat only when you train. You burn fat even while you sleep, if you train the right way. Now the truth. 90% of people never get there because they avoid the exercises that truly transform them. If you want to burn fat even while sleeping, your muscles need to be active and pushed to the limit. It's not about the number of exercises. It's about choosing the right ones and executing them like someone who refuses to stay the same. Today, it's just 3. But these are 3 exercises that, if done right, change everything. Exercise 1. Weighted squat. Let's add weight. It can be a barbell, dumbbells, or even a loaded backpack if that's what you have. Feet firmly shoulder-width apart. Chest up, core tight. Lower yourself under control. Hips go back, knees follow the line of your feet. Now pay attention. It's not just about going down, it's about feeling the weight. When you come up, drive up with power. Push the ground as if you're trying to break through it. This exercise alone can change your body because it activates the largest muscles you have. Exercise 2. Battle rope. This isn't pretty, this is war. Grip the rope tight, knees slightly bent, core braced. Start with alternating waves, arms moving fast but under control. Avoid swinging your body. The movement comes from the arms, but the power comes from your core. Deep breathing, steady rhythm. After a few seconds, your body burns, your heart races. That's exactly when you keep going. Exercise 3. Deadlift. This one separates those who train from those who evolve. Feet hip-width apart, bar close to your legs, grip it tight. Back straight, chest up. Pay attention. You don't pull with your back. You push the ground with your legs. Lift while keeping the bar close to your body. Hips and torso rise together. At the top, squeeze your glutes hard. Lower under control. This exercise activates everything. Back, legs, core, mind. Now you have 2 options. Keep training lightly and wait for results that never come, or face the discomfort and finally change. So, get up. Load the weight. Feel the real effort. Then comment here. I don't stop. If you want direct content, no excuses, made for those who truly want to evolve, subscribe to the channel now. Because here, there are no promises, only work.